Hello guys, this is Rahul and I am back with my next WordPress video. So in this video, I will tell you how you can create a sticky widget or any part of your website sticky. That means it will always stay on your page, doesn't matter if you are scrolling or not. So for example, I will show you what we will trying to do. So I will go on my front end and look here. When I scroll this, I want this widget section to stay sticky when I will scroll down below. So it is not right now, but we will made it. So in last video I have shown you how we can create a sticky navigation bar. Like when we scroll down, this navigation bar will stay on top. So if you have not watched that video, I will add that link in description as well as in the I button so you can go through it. So let's start with it. So firstly we will need to add one plugin for this. So we will go on our dashboard and go on plugins and click on add new. So here we will be adding a new plugin. So just search for sticky widget. Look here, we need to install this plugin here, which is from Web Factory. Just click on install now. There are also several plugins you can try it, but I have tried this plugin and it is very easy to use. So I will go with this only. Okay, our plugin has activated. I will click on activate. So now our plugin has been activated. So the options for this plugin will come under settings. Okay, just hover over settings and look here is the sticky menu or anything. Just click on that. Okay, so now we are on the page of our plugin section. So here is the same setting we have done in our sticky menu video. We need to copy and paste the class or ID of the widget or anything we want to make sticky. So what we will do, we will just go on our front end and now I want to make this whole section to be sticky. Okay, so what I will do, I will just right click on it and I will click on inspect. If you are using Chrome or Firefox, you will find this option easily. Just click on inspect. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to just select this area. So just go on this arrow option here, just click on that and again come here and hover over this widgets area. So I want this whole area to be sticky. I will click on that and look here, I got the class of that area. So what I need to do, just double click it and copy this class from here and go back to the sticky menu. Okay, before going back, I will tell you I'm using Astra theme for right now and it may be different from your theme in case the ID or class may be different from mine. So you have to just find it. So I have copied it. I will just go back to dashboard and paste it here. Okay, now the main thing you have to remember always, like if you are pasting a class, okay, I have copied the class here, right? So what I will do, I will just add dot in front of it. Okay, if you are copying the ID, okay, here there is no IDs, but if you are copying the ID, then you must put hash in front of it. So I have copied the class, so I will put dot in front of it. Okay, now we will try saving it and see whether the changes has done or not. I will just click on save changes. Now we will go on front end and I will close this section and I will refresh this page. Okay, I have refreshed this page. Now I will scroll down and we will see whether it is sticky or not. Okay, now you can see the sidebar is sticky. Now we will scroll down and look here, this section is still stick at the top. Okay, I will scroll down and look here. Now the problem is this sticky widget is going under our footer and we don't want that. We want that our widget should end here above the footer, right? So we will see what we can do with it. So we will go back to our dashboard again here in the plugin settings. Okay, if you want some space above this, like when I scroll down, look here, the sticky widget is starting from the top only. Now what I have to do is just add some spacing about it. So I will come back and I will add some 50 here and it will count as a 50 pixel top padding. So I will just save these changes. Okay, and again I will back and refresh the page. Okay, now you will find out here it is good spacing now, and it is looking better from the previous one. Okay, we still have the problem here. We will solve it in some minutes. Okay, we will again go to our dashboard. If you want the widget section not to be sticky on some kind of larger or smaller screen, then you can add the pixels here. Okay, if you want, then you can add it. Now what we will do, we will go in a advanced setting tab here. Just click on that. So now it is a Z index option here. We don't need to add any Z index right now, and I will suggest you to not add any Z index there because we will use only the default setting. Now here comes the important section, which is push up element. I will show you what this push up element does. Just go on front end, and we want our footer to push up this widget area, right? So what we have to do, we have to enter our footer class or ID here in the push up element section. So I will go again back to the post, and I will just right click and inspect it again. Now I want to copy ID or the class of our footer section. So I will just click here, and I will hover over this and click on that. So we want this class right here, okay, which is AST footer overlay. In your case it may be anything. Just double click on it and copy this, and just come back to dashboard, and here paste it, that class we have copied. Now again here, if you are copying the class, put the dot in front of it, and if you are copying the ID, you know you should add hash in front of it. So I hope you have understand this setting here. Now we have to just click on save changes again. Okay, so now we will see our changes has been done or not. I will go on front end again. I will close this section here, and we will refresh this. Okay, now you will find out that our widgets are not going to the footer section. Okay, so it is looking good right now. Okay, so I hope you have understand this short and simple video in which you can easily make any part of sticky. You have to just know the IDs or the class of that section, and you can easily make it sticky. So I hope you have understand this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. I will try to help you out. So thank you for watching video. See you in a next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.